Welcome to my channel. We are going to start solving geometric construction questions, which will be beneficial to high school students. The questions will be in a series. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please consider subscribing for more educational content. Let's begin with our first question. This is the question I will guide you to solve today. These are the key constructions I will guide you through. Begin by constructing line AB, which is 7 centimeters long. Draw a straight line. Mark point A on this line. Using a compass set to 7 centimeters, draw an arc from point A to intersect the line, labeling this point as B. Next, construct 45-degree angle at point A. Place the compass at point A and open it to any convenient radius to draw an arc that intersects the line AB. Using the same radius, mark points on the arc to create two 60-degree angles. Bisect the last 60-degree angle into two equal 30-degree angles. Add the first 30-degree angle to the first 60-degree angle to get a 90-degree angle. For further understanding of how to construct 90-degree angle, watch my video titled, How to Construct a 90-degree Angle. Bisect the 90-degree angle to obtain two equal 45-degree angles. To locate point C, which is 9 centimeters from point A, use a compass set to 9 centimeters. Place the pointed end at point A and draw an arc that intersects the slanting line. Label this intersection point as C. Join points B and C with a straight line. For the point equidistant from B and C, use a compass. At point C, open it to more than half the length of BC, and draw arcs on both sides. Repeat this process with the compass at point B. Draw a line through the intersections of these arcs. Using a ruler, find the 5 centimeters mark from point A on the line equidistant from points B and C. Label this point as P. Measure the distance between points B and P to find that PB. PB equals 4.2 centimeters. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.